Hi guys. So well, today it was Sunday. Nothing but yes, our favorite day when it comes to weekend because we get the day where we can take a rest and we can visit our beloved ones. And then so it was weekend, तो gym तो पूरा खाली खाली था. So I started my workout, and then today was nothing but yes, I started with the basic things like what do I do? It's cardio. So the very first thing, the weather was too good. I'll tell you next what I have started. So yes, I have started with the knee push-ups. To be very transparent, I am very crazy to learn the push-ups, but thoda thoda aata hai, so that is what I am learning. So he's the trainer. He's such a good nice trainer where we get the good learning over there. So we just did a push-ups. He was teaching me and I tried my best to do that, but yeah, not up to the mark, but I'm on it. Next I happen to do my what do we say that battle rope workout. It was nothing but yeah, just for the warm up and where we help our body to boost with the cardio. So yes, करा ये सारा कुछ करा, and then बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था because workout doesn't mean that we should be serious. So we did that, and the very first thing and which I learned in the gym here, the rule is here like a pain. So what do we say, we go for a gym और हमें पेन होती है, so that's the only thing कि पेन तो हमें फ्री में मिलती है लेकिन गेनिंग कमाना पड़ता है. So that is all about the things like pain is free but gains have to be earned. So I did just my battle rope workout, and uske baad not as such but music. I was enjoying the music. If you know that song which is there around not Param Sundari, yeah, that the song I was enjoying, and he was telling me that you are doing wrong. But yes, I'll have to make the things correct when it comes to the workout. So yeah, I was doing Bapri. So that is again 3 sets into 10. 8 sets. I was supposed to cover the 10. I tried my best again and I did it, but still I'm on it. I need to make sure that I'm doing it correct. So थोड़ा सा rest करा, and it was Father's Day, so we was enjoying the music as well in the gym. So ये सब ख़त्म करने के बाद it was all about the shoulder. So yes, so this was the Arnold press. I can't say press, but yeah, it's a press. And then उसमें भी we did it around 15 into each set. So I almost finished 3 sets for the 15 each. So it was all good and a very peaceful workout, I can say. So gym is something like na, like how do we focus on our crush? So same thing here, we need to focus on our dumbbells. That's all is needed when it comes to gym. So this was the second workout. It was all about the lateral raise. So this is also the same 15 का 3 set करना था, which I have done it. And उसके बाद nothing as such, but yes, that was the last workout, which was shoulder press. I happened to finish that, and that was all about the today's videos. And next video, it's gonna be more interesting. So